Number 1. A mirror. Having a mirror to check on your face and body is important in order to look good. Number 2. A soap dispenser. Feel the foam automatically at your fingertips. Number 3. A waste bin. Don't you hate it when you couldn't find a waste bin anywhere after using the bathroom? Number 4. Bath towels. How could you call it a bathroom when there are no bath towels available? Number 5. A bathrobe. Feeling royalty with a bathrobe on. Number 6. A laundry basket. Dump all your soiled clothes in a stylish laundry basket. Number 7. A floor drain cover. Never clog your bathroom or sink again with this drain cover. Number 8. A non-slip mat. Never have your footprints follow you once you leave the bathroom. Number 9. An essential oil reed diffuser. Leave your bathroom smelling good all day. Number 10. Motion sensor lights. Walk straight into the bathroom without switching on the lights.